Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your Etsy shop to your public profile. Do you want people to easily find your Etsy shop from your profile? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add your shop to your public Etsy profile in 2026 just by following some few simple steps. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to go to Etsy.com and sign in. Or alternatively, you can also access the Etsy platform via the application you can download on your mobile device. Just search for Etsy application in the Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using, if you're using a mobile device. Now, if you can stick to your computer, and just use the browser and access the website Etsy.com and make sure you sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, you're going to click on the Become a Seller option, and then you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to fill in information about your shop, the name of your shop, the payment methods, the billing infos, everything about your shop. Make sure to enter all the details about your shop. Then you're going to go to your profile. You're going to click on your profile picture here, you can see here, and then select View Profile. Now, once you click on View Profile, as you can see here, it says nothing to see here because I just created a profile yet and I haven't set up a shop yet. But if you do, you're going to be able to edit the profile. You can click on Edit a Profile, you can add a photo. You can also add your shop link. Make sure your shop is connected to your account, and if you're the shop owner, your shop will automatically appear on your public profile. You can also add your shop link in your bio section for extra visibility. And in the fifth step is to save changes. You can also use your bio to tell your story and mention what you sell, and this increases the buyer's trust. And that's how you add your Etsy shop to your public profile and increase visibility. And you can use your bio to introduce yourself to the shoppers and other sellers in Etsy community and make your bio personal by describing the things about yourself and your business. You can add your interests, crafts, hobbies, and other fun things about you. And bios are where all members can share details about themselves. And if you're a seller, you can add information about your business in your shop's about section. And that's it. That's how you add your Etsy shop to your public profile and increase visibility. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.